It's a great day for couples painting with him and Patty from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a good day. Welcome into our home. Let's see what John's gonna do today, guys.
I have a 14 by 14 canvas which I just covered in, it was a previously used canvas which was wiped down and had a little gold tint on it, but we put some white DecoArt white paint on it. DecoArt? Maybe not.
No.
Artist Loft white paint on it with a few drops of silicone in it. And I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but
Remember, less is more.
there you go again with your less is more business.
Well, because if you end up not having an idea and you scrape it, that's a lot of.
Is it more? I ask you, is it more?
More turns to glop.
Glop.
Yeah. I don't know.
Sounds good. Why don't I just do dots? Look at the cell. The purple is already selling up like crazy. I didn't even do anything yet. Hey,
maybe that's our hint.
You know what oh, here it is, right? Hint.
Maybe that's our hint.
It could be.
Just put down dots and leave it.
Put dots and let them all turn to cells, huh?
I like that color.
Okay, so let's see if this is going to do anything. I have a basting brush that's been given a haircut. We're going to try to go around in a circle with this. I don't know how good it's going to work, but oh yeah.
You gotta make sure you use your towel and stuff.
That's okay. I'm gonna put another one over here anyhow.
Yeah, but
yeah, I know. We'll put one right here.
it's nicer if you. That's interesting. Pretty cool. Look at all those cells you got.
Totally cellular, baby. All these pretty colors. Oh, look at this color. I think I used it already. Interesting, just taking drops of paint and just dropping them on a white canvas with silicone underneath. Let's see how I can do this now.
Can you move the thing? Will it make it easier if you put?
No, I don't want to go around in a circle like that. I want to just go around in a circle like this. See, like this. Doesn't really have to be a circle. Just has to be like that.
Cool. It's interesting.
That's what I want to do.
It's interesting because this one's got so many cells and that one not so.
They'll be there.
Not so much.
They'll be there momentarily. I bet you. Of course, this is gonna be a time-consuming thing, right? If we're gonna make all little circles like this.
Well, you can fast forward.
Oh, you mean the tape, not me. Which one?
I don't think you have that color yet.
I thought you meant I had to work faster. Exactly. This opal is kind of a lot like all the other colors we have here. I need another color in there. You know what I mean?
I don't like what other. I don't know what colors you need.
Let's see.
Do you want a smaller basting thing? Oh, you got it there. Because you can do a smaller one.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
It is interesting.
Because this one over here.
You have a lot more colors on it. You got this.
What are you looking for? The metallics?
Yeah, whatever.
We just, all the metallics are actually
They're out here. Yeah.
Well, there's some other ones in this since you're only using little dots.
We're going to use this color that I never use. Where is it?
There's these two. Here's this.
Oh yeah, I'm going to try this. Never use rose gold because it never seemed to come out nice, but we'll give it a shot. Try to fill in there. What'd you give me? Something good?
Here's
Oh, look at this
that.
one.
And then
Oh, these are getting low, right? When you use them up.
Yeah.
Did you shake it?
I did it a little tiny bit. I didn't shake it too much. But you got green in that one.
Oh, I got green, yeah.
Be interesting to know which colors are selling. Because
None selling. Oh, you mean,
I knew you were in. I know when people say that sometimes I always think they mean like purchasing, selling, you know, I'm always like, huh? I might as well give a fun fact.
Oh, you got more facts?
Since we're watching you do that. Oh, I want to be a cat.
You want to be a cat? You don't like cats
I
that much.
I don't like cats that much, but I want to be one now.
Why is that?
Did you know cats spend 66% of their life asleep?
Oh, you like
Oh,
to
that's for me.
sleep.
Oh.
66% of their life, huh?
That's all. I wonder what sleeps more than that. Till I find out what sleeps longer than that, I'll be a cat. Here, put this color in there. Want to redo it a little bit? Or no?
No.
Okay.
It's going to get muddy. You can give me that color. I'll put it over here.
Oh, because you put black. I guess don't use black, huh?
Put it black. Here you go. Oh!
Oh, John!
Oh, Patty!
Oh, no!
Get it off the cabinets over there. Never mind.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy.
Never mind the thing.
God. Oh!
Oh, there you go.
Oh, God. Ah! That would be something like
It's
your ex-friend would do to you on purpose, huh? Ah! I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it. I was going to use them colors in a lot of those spots anyhow.
Oh, I can't believe that.
Stop it. Just get it off the counters, not the cabinets. You're supposed to make sure the lid's on when you shake it. Did you know?
I was holding it.
You were.
Obviously, I wasn't. Well, it comes off fine.
Oh yeah, it comes off.
As long as you see it when it's first on there and get it off. I can't believe that. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it. It's only a picture.
Yeah, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, it'll still be pretty.
Sorry. Story of my life.
This is gonna take some time here. I'm gonna start moving about here.
Oh, don't rush it, because it's...
I'm not, but I'm gonna put some more drops down so it'll, instead of one circle at a time, I can put them,
Yeah,
down,
but you're gonna...
put them down next to your drops.
But they're gonna be all the same.
They're not gonna be all the same. Maybe.
You're putting down the same colors each one.
Try this one?
Yeah, I think it might make it smaller, which might be... Unless it doesn't go around.
Problem is, it makes this one just makes some, because it's too flimsy. Needs something a little less flimsy.
I don't think you need to add any more. Do you?
Oh, I think it looks okay. Okay.
Oh, that's interesting. That'll be interesting to see. Are you gonna use the thing?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
There's a ton of cells all over it, doesn't it? Use the thing.
Use the
infamous thing. Okay, what I'm thinking of doing is, when this dries a little bit, I'm gonna outline each one with the black, the little
Cool.
thin black thing, I think.
Okay, well, I
So-
think you need to see what it dries like, right?
Yeah,
I think it's pretty cool. What do you think?
so there's something totally different.
Yeah,
And, we'll be back later,
great job.
see what we're gonna do.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Aren't you gonna come back later with the...
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Oh, okay. Oops.
We'll hurry up. Oh, the ba-booms.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Oh, sorry. This is him and Patty doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching. Please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Goodbye, peace out.